After a long time, how are you?
I'm fine. So tell me, what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, brother. I'm doing great.
Okay,
Thank you very much for asking me. So please tell
okay.
me, how can I help you? Like, where are you calling from, by the way?
Yeah, my name is Robin Hasda. I am calling from West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yeah, yeah. And I am doing job in private industry at Durgapur.
Okay, that's good. Oh, I see. That's great, brother. Nice to meet you. I'm happy with you because you were trying to call me, you were trying to text me, and always I try to, like comment on my YouTube channel. Seriously, I'm happy
Yeah,
with
yeah.
you.
Yeah, yeah. I
That's
am
very
also happy.
appreciate me.
I watch your every video. I understand very easily your speak.
Okay, that's cool. So please come to the point, like why you are learning an English language. How can I help you about your communication, about your English improvement? Please tell me what's your problem like about English.
Yeah, yeah. I am learning English just improving myself. Okay. Yeah, and I teach some student at my home. Uh,
Okay,
yeah, in Bengali medium student.
okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. So,
yeah, yeah.
what do you teach in front of a student like English and any other language?
All subject English, Bengali, all subject I teach.
Okay, all subject you try to teach in
Yeah,
front of the student.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's. But you're talking about like I'm an employee, I'm working a private sector right now, and you're doing a teaching part also. So, what is that? Can you explain me like how do you manage yourself like private job and teaching part as a professor, as a teacher?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So I go to work 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay. So sometime
Okay.
I will go 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. So
Mhm.
actually our duty is shifting type, three shift.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I
So
see.
when I will be free, then I teach. So I called students. So you are coming this time. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. I mean, what about your student? Like, what are they? I mean, what are they? We can say like, are they under 18 plus and like adult? We can say like, are you teaching in the first standard to 10th standard? And they were
Five to
uh,
five to eight, 5 to 8 class.
5 to 8 class. You are
Yeah,
trying
yeah.
to teach in front of.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's cool. So, is this your hobby and you want to become a teacher?
Yeah, my hobby actually, I like to travel and I want to teach some student. Okay.
Mhm.
So I don't uh, know any hobby. Okay. I just I am doing job and I decided I will start my own business at my home. Yeah.
I
So I
see.
don't get any new job. I'm searching a new job, so I don't any get job. So I will start my own business at my home.
Okay. So we
Yeah.
can say you are interesting about teaching department, teaching section. That's great, brother. So by the
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
what about your study? What did you done? We can say in your life, what did you achievement about graduation, about 12, about what did you done? Please
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
me.
Okay. So I have finished my graduation before 6 years ago already. So after that, I have joined in this company. I am doing job 5 years.
Okay. So suddenly, I mean, uh, we can say like how many year has gone you are teaching? Like how many months, how many year? When did you start about your teaching department, teaching section? When did you start?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So when I was studying school and college, when I studying in 12th class, that time I have started teaching. Okay. So
Oh my
student
God!
life.
That moment you started your
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
teaching time,
Yes, yes.
and still now you are teaching in front of a student. So
Yes.
maybe I can say like around 7 to 8 years you have experience.
Yeah, yeah. So sometime gaps 1 2 years. So I
Mhm.
don't that time I don't teach some reason at my family.
Okay, so brother, like I'm confusing when you pass out your graduation, that moment, why did you not think about to, teach in front of a student? Like, why did you not try to in teaching section, teacher as a teacher after college? Why did you choose a private sector job?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I get one chance, so I want to interview first time. So I I that time I failed, so I don't certify it. Okay, so I 3 and 5 interview I go by
Okay.
after written exam. So
Oh,
I
I see.
yeah, yeah. So I am right now trying any office type job. I don't like this job. I don't certified in this salary. Okay.
Oh, I see. See, brother, like, what's your hobby, passion, and about liking? Okay, so just try to fulfill, just try to pursuing this thing, brother. Then definitely you will, good command, and you will get, and you will feel too happy in your life. Right now, you are talking about I'm not happy with my private job. I love to do a, teaching department. I love to, as a teacher. So whatever you love to, just try it, brother. I know that private sector, we can say job is like not permanently, but your hobby, your
Yeah, yeah,
teaching sector, your teaching line, we can say you can make a permanently, and definitely you will like it whenever you try to do your business about teaching section. Definitely you will enjoy. So if
yeah, yeah,
possible, then try to pursue, brother. Try to pursue. Try to fulfill your dream. Don't sacrifice. I know that everyone have a problem about financial, about some problem difficulty to, reaching a career, making a, some kind of thing. I knew that. But if you try to fulfill your dream, brother, definitely your life will going to fantastic. Don't think about like I'm a beginner, how can I do it's I'm getting a too much problem. Avoid it. Problem is like short time, brother. Short
yeah,
time
yeah, yeah,
problem. But if you try to face problem, then afterward, like problem will never come in your life. Everything you will, like we can say reach your goal, and your life will going smoothly and clearly and good, brother. Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah,
always try, do hard work, believe yourself.
right, right.
Definitely you will get, you will, achieve whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah.
So, by the way, what about your English journey? How do you practice yourself? How do you learn? What do you do about improvement? Please tell me. Then, if possible, whatever I have, if possible, then I'll try to tell you what should you do. First thing, you have to tell me, brother, like what kind of difficulty, what's your problem. Then definitely I'll, clarify yourself. Please tell me.
Yeah.
How do you
Okay.
practice?
So actually, when I was studying school and college, that time I don't understand any English. I very weak in English and math. I don't like. I avoid in this class every time
Okay.
when I was studying in school and college. Okay. After that, when I get in this smartphone, so I was watching YouTube video. So
Okay.
English learning. Okay. So first time I found that Vishnu Bharadwaj video, Kamli video. So I am delighted that time. So so I decided I am also learn English. English is very important for our life. So I
Okay.
decided. After that, I got Ari Poto. After that,
Mhm.
and your channel I found it. Okay. So I like actually your channel and Ari Poto and Vishnu Bharadwaj. I every time I watch your video. So
Okay.
when you download in this video, so any video, so I get any notification. I want to watch this video.
Okay.
So actually, uh, that time I don't know English how to speak. Right now I am improving day by day. Okay.
Mhm.
So first time today I am calling you.
Okay. Thank you very much for calling me, brother. I'm
Yeah,
happy with you, seriously.
yeah, I
Thank
am
you very
also
much.
very.
Connect with me and try to make a conversation. Thank you, brother.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so keep going. Keep going.
Actually, my problem is I don't know vocabulary, so I how to improving vocabulary. Just
Okay,
suggest me your site.
okay. So vocabulary means, brother, like a sentence, a word. If you try to take a one vocabulary, two vocabulary, and this vocabulary they fulfill, they just join a sentence and make a story, whole paragraph. How do we learn? We always try to think about, like, in outside. Always try to think our mind. Always try to talk to ourselves. For example, if I tell you, brother, just go learn a 5 to 6 word, six vocabulary, and if you try and you learn, then afterward, after some day, you will forget those words because it's happened. All word it's not possible to store in our mind.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not possible. So that moment, whenever you try to conversation with anyone, with front of people, with yourself, everywhere. So whatever you are trying to speak yourself, and that moment you do not get a proper word, so
yeah, yeah.
immediately Google it. Just do practical search
Right,
out
right.
how to call this word. That moment practice 3 to 4 times, so
Yeah, yeah,
you will
right.
remember forever, brother. This word, this vocabulary. This is
Yeah,
very easy way. Right now, I'm talking with you, and I'm thinking like, which part you belong to, who are you, and which part of you belong to. Belong is like one word. Just
yeah,
assume
yeah,
that
yeah.
vocabulary. So I'm getting it, easily. But if I try to tell you, brother, like, how to learn this word, so right now I'm having a conversation, then immediately I click my mind like used to belong. So that moment, if you don't know how to use a belong, just Google it, like, your tongue, your mother tongue to like English. That moment you can
Yeah,
manage. You can just Google it, try to understand how to we call, and immediately practice. Then that moment, seriously, whenever get opportunity in next time, like belong word, immediately you can speak. Otherwise, brother, if you have a capacity to learning any easily any word, so you can just learn a 2 word, 3 word per day. This is also helping. But
yeah,
always
yeah.
I recommend, brother, talk, practice more. Practice make up perfect.
Yeah,
If you practice more, you will clarify yourself, brother. You will clarify.
yeah, right, right.
Here is like nothing vocabulary, nothing, brother. Automatically, you will recover your communication. You will recover your vocabulary while speaking part.
Yes, yes.
Same thing. It's not necessary to do other activity about learning, about vocabulary, about grammar, about nothing. Just believe a conversation, do practice regular basis. Automatically, whatever I have vocabulary, automatically you will realize like vocabulary, and you can speak it softly and calmly, brother, automatically.
Yes,
But it's
yes.
very important practice. It's very important conversation with someone. It's very important talk to yourself, mumble yourself,
Yeah, yeah.
practice, listen more, practice more, listen more, practice more, automatically. you know if I tell you, brother, like, how to we learn other language, we can say your mother tongue language may be Bengali, I think. Am I right?
No, my mother tongue is Santhali.
What?
Santhali, Santhali. I
Santali.
am
Okay, first
I
time.
am belong from tribal family.
Okay, first time I'm
Yeah,
hearing this kind of language.
yeah,
Okay, no
yeah.
problem. So
Right.
you are master because you practice, you conversation, you talk 1,000 times,
Yeah.
20,000 times, 1 lakh time you talk.